Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We're fortunate enough to acquire this lovely little Suzuki Swift 1 litre Boosterjet SZ5 manual, finished in mineral grey, and it's got a lovely, what I would call almost a super black metallic roof section with this vehicle. So it looks really striking. It's two-tone, mineral grey with black roof section, absolutely lovely condition. It's one owner car from new, done about 26,000 miles, which we'll clarify in a minute. Really high spec cars these are. Privacy glass, keyless entry. It's got a reverse aid camera, these beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels. Lovely car, it's hybrid, mild hybrid this. Decent size tailgate, 60/40 split rear seat system. Just check underneath here, and the previous owner has kept everything with the vehicle, so really fantastic condition. It will be undergoing a 101 point used car check with us and a service. If it hasn't been serviced very recently, it will be serviced by our workshops. The 101 point used car check fulfills manufacturers' stringent requirements. We look at absolutely everything. We're looking at all the vehicle's electrical systems. We're looking at the mechanical, the way the car runs, the brakes, the brake disc wear, brake pad wear, tyre tread depths, wiper condition, the whole lot really. So your next customer who buys this will be getting a car in absolutely tip-top condition. Comes with 12 months Suzuki warranty, which is as nearly as good as manufacturers, to be perfectly honest. That comes with roadside assistance. You've got this rear spoiler here as well. Wonderful car, great colour on this. Really hard wearing black cloth interior. And moving over here on the door panel, it sort of extends to the door cards, but you've also got here your electric windows, electric power folding door mirrors. And this car's fitted with keyless entry, as I said. You've got engine stop start button, and down beneath here minor rare switches, which include stuff like, you find this on more expensive cars. Such value for money, these Suzukis, and they drive beautifully. It's got lane departure warning system, some sort of smart city brake support, traction control, engine stop start button. Just start it. Clarify miles. It has done, let's just clarify, 28,647 miles. Instrumentation is very clear in front of you. On the left hand side you've got the tachometer rev counter, right hand side you've got fuel gauge. In the center here you've got fuel computer, and it shows you the average fuel economy at 47.9 mpg, which is absolutely superb. You'll get more than that out this car. It's subjective, this fuel economy argument, because it all depends on how one drives this car, but suffice it to say it's a very economical vehicle. I'm going to turn on the side lights here so we get better view of the interior here. So on this multi-function steering wheel, we've got integrated Bluetooth with voice control on the left hand side, and just above it you've got your mode buttons for the stereo, info button. Now this info button should change some of the display here, and it does. Gives you all sorts of statistics here: torque, power, accelerate, brake. As I said to you, it's fitted, this is a hybrid car, it's fitted with an integrated storage generator. So any of the energy that's captured through braking or deceleration is captured by that generator and stored in a battery, which helps power some of the vehicle's electrical systems. It has tremendous advantages for the environment and tremendous advantages in terms of fuel economy. So changing that comes back to a blank screen. As I said to you earlier, 28,647 miles, comes back to this. Now, there is a center switch somewhere. Let's just have a look. Yeah, just here, which will do the same thing just by the speedo. But if you keep your finger depressed on this, it should take us into a menu. There we go. Takes us into, you can set this car up according to your own individual taste, but distance, fuel economy, language, fuel reset, temperature, clock setting, door locks, lights, guide me light, oil change, AC, TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring system, display item, default, etc. But really, really good and very, very thorough. Nice to have this sort of feature. You can actually spend hours looking at some of these features, but a lot of fun. So with this car also on the right hand side you're getting radar cruise control, again an item that you find in a lot more expensive vehicles. You've got wipers on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you've got auto lights, and in the center here you've got this Suzuki touchscreen multimedia center. So if we go into the radio here, you can see it's got DAB, takes us to radio 1, etc. And if you want to make finite adjustments on each of these settings, you go into this, and that takes us into stuff like, you know, you can adjust your sound settings, he said. They can be a little bit sensitive, these. There we are. Bass, treble, balance fader, speed dependent volume control. Speed dependent volume control will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. So back to the home screen, again simple, you just press home, he said. Yep, back to home. And you got satellite navigation. Press confirm and you can display the map. Very, very simple. And again, if you press this chap here, takes us into route options, guidance and map settings, position and GPS info, geo coordinate format. Really good. Let's get back to the home screen. There's just one other thing I wanted to show you on the satellite. Points of interest nearby, for example, automotive, car dealerships, Suzuki. It will change. There we go. TW White and Sons and other Suzuki dealers. We won't worry too much about those. Back to the home screen. Phone connection, Bluetooth. You've also got smartphone linkage. And again, we press the cog sign. You've got Android connection priority, Android Auto, also does Apple CarPlay. Great spec though. So Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, integrated Bluetooth, satellite navigation, DAB. It's all touchscreen. Just the volume there, or you can obviously adjust it here from your steering wheel. Beneath this, air conditioning, straightforward climate control, press automatic, dial in the temperature you want, hit the auto, it'll direct the air and adjust all the fan speeds according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. Now you can override that, obviously. Just to do that, all you'll do is hit the mode button. There you go, changes it all, or adjust the fan. Very simple. Down beneath here, 12-volt power socket, and there is a USB. 5-speed manual gearbox. Beautifully finished vehicle, this, in great condition, and for 28,647 miles, in fabulous condition. The previous owners really looked after this. Very, very clean roof lining, no marks, no scuffs, etc. Never been smoked in. Wonderful vehicle. As I say, will come with 12 months Suzuki warranty. Bags of features with this car. Fantastic quality Japanese engineering. Beautifully finished car. We'll take any vehicle in part exchange, and we will be as competitive, if not more so, than the people that are currently advertising on national television. So, as I say, we'll take any car in part exchange. We will be competitive. We'll also offer financing facilities. So essentially, TW White & Sons will be your one-stop shop for your next vehicle. If you wish to find out any more details about this vehicle or any of our other used vehicles, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thank you.